Tonight, new developments in a wrongful death lawsuit against the Greater Dayton RTA after the death of a Dayton Dunbar High School senior. 2 News has learned that the mother of Alfred Hale III, Nellie Bailey, has died.
Nellie was the administrator of the estate of Alfred Hale III. Hale was set to graduate just weeks before he was shot and killed near Right Stop Plaza in April of 2025. Joining us live now from downtown Dayton, it's 2 News reporter Julian Jackson. Julian, what happens now?
Hey, Lauren, Jack, this must be a very difficult time for the Hale family to be able to process the death of Alfred's mother, Nellie, as they continue to grieve the death of Alfred Hale III in April of last year. I did speak with the attorney who's representing the family in the wrongful death lawsuit against the Greater Dayton RTA, and he says they will continue their journey to justice and move forward.
It's unfortunate, obviously, that it even happened.
DPS Superintendent Dr. David Lawrence says the district prefers not to be a part of any litigation, but he is pleased it has been dismissed as a defendant in the lawsuit from the family of Alfred Hale filed against the Greater Dayton RTA. While Dr. Lawrence says high school students having bus passes to get to school by way of the RTA hub at Right Stop Plaza is the appropriate move, he's calling on state lawmakers for help.
If legislators in Columbus could get cooking on making sure that charter schools have their own transportation, we could easily transport all of our students if we didn't transport charter schools.
The DPS superintendent is giving praise to Ohio State Representative Desiree Timms for sponsoring House Bill 545.
She's actively working to find that separation so that we can actually transport our students.
It's important to note that Dayton Public Schools and the city of Dayton are not completely out of the woods with the lawsuit against the RTA. Robert Gresham, attorney representing the family of Alfred Hale, tells me the dismissal of 2 of the 6 defendants was done without prejudice.
What that means is a case can be refiled against them later if necessary. That's not a ruling by any court on the merits of the case. I want to be clear about that.
Gresham tells me the Greater Dayton RTA remains the significant defendant. It is believed that if the company would have been proactive, Alfred's death could have been prevented.
Our allegations in the complaint include longstanding knowledge of safety problems and prior violent incidents the RTA would have had.
Right now, a trial date is set for June of next year. We have reached out to the Greater Dayton RTA for a response. We have not yet heard back. The city of Dayton says that they have no comments. As there are new developments in this case, we will be sure to bring you those live on air and through the 2 News app. Live in Dayton, Julian Jackson, 2 News.